Hello, this is Tom with the Tractor Rescue Ranch. I am working on this sawdust system here. That piece, as I've said, will go outside of the building there out in the corral, and then this section of chain will go on the inside of the building and down underneath the saw blade. So that's the system I'm working on right now at this point, and I just had to get this all set up like this in order to see how long it is so I can start getting the height and angles and everything figured out, where it's going to go. What I've got this piece that I took off the bottom here on this, and this piece will be kind of rebuilt without this auger side. This auger I'm hoping to take off and put a pulley on it which will drive things, but anyway, this will be filled in here with another bearing on it there, and that'll be the drive and the lower sprocket for everything down in the bottom of the pit. That's what I got planned anyway. So okay, next day, and I've had the afternoon all figured out to come out here and work on this elevator for the sawdust. And boy, our weather's gone nasty. It's just starting to stick, the snow, but we're getting pretty good snowfall here this afternoon. So what I'm doing right now, you can see I got all this muddy ground now that it's getting some moisture on it. So I am just trying to empty the sawdust pit so that I can get working on that elevator, and I'll have the right elevation down there in the bottom of it to get things set up. So that's what I'm doing right now. It amazes me how much sawdust I've generated here already with a little bit of sawing that I've done. These big circular blades sure put out the sawdust with their wider saw girth. One good thing about it is it is real light and easy to deal with. I keep getting help from my little buddies here working in the corral. This little guy is Tuvok, and he loves to grab the elastic on the bottom of my coat and flip me with it. Okay. Anyway, these guys like to make it hard to get my work done. That's Thor right there, and Tuvok. Okay, I got a little bit accomplished here the last few days. Right here, we will go ahead and just pull. I won't do it in the winter because I don't want the sawdust to freeze in it, but in the summer I'll pull the manure spreader. I'll just leave the manure spreader part underneath that, and that way it'll just be quick and easy to clean up. I'll just took the tractor to the manure spreader and go out and spread the sawdust. So anyway, getting this section done here, so it'll be all covered. The weather won't get down in the chains and freeze things. And then on the inside down there, going down into the bottom of the pit, it will just be an open trough that I'll have there. So this wall here I'll take down, and I'll take the fence down and just build a straight wall there. So anyway, I'll close this video here. It's been too cold and miserable to do much filming as I've been working. That I'll close here, and I wanted to say things might be a little bit short this week on videos. We are in the process of butchering a steer, and I do my own butchering, and I didn't want to film it. I just don't care for the idea of YouTube trying to censor it and everything, and I'm not a professional butcher either. So I just do it on my own to save the money. So I don't know that I have much to teach anybody on that end of things. So anyway, when I butcher a steer, it takes me quite a while. I get a full day into the skinning and gutting out pretty close, and then it takes me a pretty full day to do each quarter. So it takes usually about 5 days of work to get a steer butchered here on the homestead. But it sure saves a ton of money to do it myself. So that's where we're at here. Appreciate everybody watching.